Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video I will talk about why you need virtualization and how to install and create a virtual environment in your computer. So first of all, what is virtualization? Virtualization allows you to install many operating systems virtually on your host or operating system or main operating system. In other words, virtualization enables a single physical machine to act as a multiple virtual computers. Each virtualization instance or virtual machine operates as if it were its own computer with its own processing power, memory, and storage. So each virtual machine runs its operating system and applications independent of the other virtual machines. So before starting the video, we have a very small request. So if you like our content, please support us by subscribing to our channel. This is a small click for you, but for us it means a lot. Thank you, and let's jump in. So for example, let's say this is your main operating system. So you have your, for example, your Windows 11 on your computer. So but inside of it you want to also have different operating systems as well. So you're an ethical hacker, for example, or you're a student, you want to practice ethical hacking, you need a Linux operating system, you may need some different versions of Windows, you may need OS broken web application in order to practice. So those things can be done by using the VirtualBox. So you will install VirtualBox inside your PC. So let's say this is the VirtualBox. So this can be the VirtualBox, and inside of this, so let me say VirtualBox. So this is the VirtualBox. You will install it on your PC, and then inside of it you can have different operating system running, or even you can host a server, virtual server inside of it, for example. So let's say you want to run Kali Linux. So here you can install or create a virtual machine for Kali Linux, and also you want to have OS broken web application here. So you install or create a virtual machine for OS broken web application. You want to use you need Ubuntu here, so you will install another operating system, Ubuntu, for example, inside your VirtualBox. And also we can say you need a different version of Windows. You can say you need a Windows 10 or you need a Windows 11. So you can install a Windows 10 or let's say Windows 7 on your PC or inside your VirtualBox. So this shows that just by having your own computer and installing the VirtualBox, you're able to use different operating systems virtually without any problem. So in order to create a virtual environment, you need some kind of software. For this video, I'm going to use Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to use other softwares like VMware and don't know how to use it, comment down below and I will make another video on how to install and use use VMware. So for installing of this VirtualBox, first you need to download it. Open your favorite browser and search for get virtual. I'm going to use Oracle VirtualBox. So you can just click on the first link that comes here. It will then go to downloads, which it is already in the downloads directory of the website, and according to your host operating system you can choose the host. So for me I have Windows 11, so I will choose Windows hosts, and then it will start downloading. Show you here is, so I'm using this download manager, so I'm gonna start download. We'll wait for a few seconds to download, and then we will start installing it. So open. Now after opening the VirtualBox here, sorry, so I'm gonna, what you just need to, it's the installation process is very simple. You just need to click next, 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 and that's it. Next. Okay, next. Okay, so I will install those, and then you just install. It will start installation, and you're good to go. So after the installation finishes, you will see something like this: Oracle VirtualBox installation is complete. And then you may want to start. If you want to start immediately, you can keep the check mark. If not, just uncheck it and start finish, and click finish. So here I want to start finish. This is the Oracle VirtualBox, or Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox Manager. So now you have installed it, and now you need to create a new virtual environment. For that, you just need new. So you will name it. For example, if you're installing the Kali Linux, you name it Kali Linux. You choose a type, you choose the version, for example, Debian 64, for example, and then you click next, next, and it will create. You will allocate some hardware to this. For example, one CPU, and then the memory is okay for me because right now I'm not installing any VirtualBox on this, sorry, any virtual operating system or install the Kali Linux, and you virtual hard disk for it, and that's it. You finish, and then you have your Kali Linux VirtualBox. But you need some other configurations as well, so that will be for another video on how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.